rewarding poorest performers in that sector.
Simultaneously collecting the best in breed and weeding out the rats.
You catch on fast, son. Tyler, Ed,
He's just not good at it.
Did I miss something?
Daniel managed to get Mr. Takeda to invest last night. $50 million.
How's that corner office looking for you now? $50 million.
I think he's blind.
Shame you won't be getting commissioned.
Yeah. Commission was a one-time incentive. I thought we did beat you to the
We're gonna lob it. You ready? Big lob.
Taking initiative like that, and I promise, commission will
Alright, so now if I get his attention, I think he says ABD.
So long as your clients are all Japanese.
Nope, not it.
Pretty blonde transfer.
Ready? Watch it. That one fell in. You're lucky there.